MeghalayaPost.news.
Conrad ke sangma menteri rang ba kajala habalet ban play pai ba ya project Revoice Dream Rise kaban kanti kinong ri khnyang kinong thir sai kumjuru kinong thanjan ulapan pa ujing sarong hadien kajing ikandu bat ka menteri ka babat ru ya katanat platingka kari India ka Nirmala Sitharaman hanin kasingi hanong ba Delhi ulay athuru bawat ka Nirmala Sitharaman kadi kawai na kilong kami bat ka menteri ka bakanti ki jan India hakabah kajing ikandu bat u ïathuh baka phong daga saree ka blathan hakajala Meghalaya bat kani ka peni ya kajing berkajeng tibet jong kinong thanjan ke jela Meghalaya.
I had a meeting with the Honorable Finance Minister of India, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman. And she was telling me, she said, Conrad, do you recognize this saree? And for a moment I could not. She told me this is silk saree from Meghalaya. This is the silk that Meghalaya has made, and we have made a saree out of it. And I am wearing it today. India's finance minister has become a person who is promoting and marketing the silk from Meghalaya. It's a great honor for the farmers, it's a great honor for the people of Meghalaya. And apart from thanking Madam for promoting the silk saree by wearing it herself, I also would like to thank our Finance Minister and the Honorable Prime Minister. My meeting yesterday was a very important meeting. As you are all aware, because of the new 16th Finance Commission recommendation, Meghalaya was losing almost 2,000 crores of direct taxes or the devolution of taxes every year, 2,000 crores, which means in 5 years, 10,000 crores was we were losing. But after our request to Finance Minister and to Honorable Prime Minister, I'm happy to tell you that we have received communication, which is why I met Finance Minister yesterday, that they will be supporting all the hill states and coming out with a special section in under SASCI to support the hill states. And for this financial year, coming year, the Finance Ministry is supporting Meghalaya with over 2,000 crores to make up for that particular deficit. And hence, this is a very, very important step, and it is something that will really help all the hill states, whether it is Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Sikkim, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, all the northeastern states which were affected because of the new formula will get relief. So once again, I thank the Honorable Finance Minister and especially the Honorable Prime Minister for this very, very important decision that was taken by them to ensure that the Prides of the Hill program was launched, and that will help small states and hill states like ours to overcome the financial problem because of the new recommendation of the Finance Commission.
MeghalayaPost.news.